Hey everyone, this is my first time using Ivana Skin Rejuve. Wow, what's up Ivana? This is my first time using Rejuvenating. And first, it's with water and powder. Apply glow day cream on face and neck and listen. Massage. Huh? How to use? How about the toner? After the toner, right? Clean skin, smooth skin. Wala yan eh. So it is here. And it smells good. It smells good. This is toner. Say ato. So as I was saying, this is Ivana toner, skin toner, glow toner. First, this is I want to use. First, I just hindi paningot na lang ko. I'm sweating now because my god. So this is the night cream, glow night cream, Ivana. Hindi makita. In gapas. Cotton. This is my cotton. Oh, where's the mirror? I need the mirror. Mirror. I'm sweating. Di makaro diri. Mas nirtag akong camera. Mas nirtag akong camera na Samsung. I like this Samsung camera because it's what do you call this? Makikita talaga yung mga pores, the original face, and that's it. I don't know. It's not original face. I'm still sweating and I don't know why. So first, let's use, oh my god, ginagamit ko na yung sabon nito, Ivana soap. And then, okay, I'm very nervous because it's my first time using this. Sana pagpalain yung mukha ko. Pagpalain, share lang. Pagpalain. Ay, mahapdi siya. I have sensitive skin. And ay, sorry. Kasabaan ka kong ati na ni. Sorry ate, asala. Sorry ate Agnes. I'm using a Reju right now. I think I need it. I don't know why I need it. Just that gusto na ko na mapati. O mapati ko, guwapa ko. Bito. Guwapa naman ko daan. Anja, kay kuan man ko. Pero yung pagkaiyat na naman, my good. And then it's done. Then let's use the, I think I need more so that my neck will be and it's very now. It's very dirty because oh my god, what happened to this? Because Pabod ra pa kong init kanina. As in buwad, as in arang inita. Diyan ako budang now. May I think tama na yan. Tama na siya. Tama na siya pag-apply. Kasi 30 na siya. And I'm done using toner. Mabango pa rin siya kahit madumi. So, kailangan natin ng papayan to dry it. Kasi mainit dito. And yun na nga, hindi makikita, diba? Ano ito na? Because of the light, I think. Yeah, that's why hindi siya may. And this is the tapos na ba? Pati pala sa so dito sa neck. So ginagamit nating lingwahe at saka dialect namin and English. Two language and the one dialect, Bisaya, and Tagalog is the language, and English. Yeah, as I was saying, hindi na siya basa. Hindi na siya basa din. So, this is it. Pansit. This is a small spatula. I don't know why may kutsara pa rin. And I'm using it because, part of it. Oh! And part of it. Ay, sayang. Alas City pa. 21. Sayang. Mabango rin siya. As in, nagtitipid talaga tayo kasi mahal siya. Just $4.99. By the way, guys, $4.99 siya. So, this is the spatula, and let's use it. I am still sweating, but carry lang. How many? Ay, shit. Sorry. No cussing. Cussing. I think I need more. What do you think? I think I need more. No, wait a minute. Let me spread it. So, nagbiti. Yan na nga. Kanina pa to dumating. At ang anong tawag nito? At akala ko kasi tomorrow, ayun, pumunta kasi ako ng Maasin City. That's why yung lola ko at saka lolo ko yung nag-receive sa sa parcel nito sa parcel na ito, and binaya ay and to Gcash ko na lang to Gcash na lang ako nagbayad kasi nandun ako sa maasin and I'm sweating really hard. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm sweating. What is it? Ha? And then pagkatapos nito lalagyan ko ng lalagyan ko ng lip balm itong lips ko kasi para medyo kissable lips naman tayo, diba? I think kailangan ko pa ng more, not more, I think just a little bit, but yeah, dito tayo kasi ayokong masayang. Also hindi din ako nag-bed but too much na yun cause it's full. I have a small face and it just yeah. It just wow. And it's very smells good. It smells good. I like the smell. It's not like yeah, I think I should. Ay, wala na. Sabi ko na sa'yo Barbie. Meron pa ba? Nakalimutan ko yung neck ko. Sorry naman. Sorry neck. Kailangan ko pa talaga ng kailangan ko din lagyan yung neck ko kasi it's still may exposed din siya sometimes sa sun and yeah, kapag nagsusuot ako ng spaghetti or stripes or v-neck and that's why lalagyan ko rin yung neck para maganda naman yung what do you think? What do you think? Maganda lagyan, diba? So that hindi naman what happened today? Hindi naman siya marami. Napakarami yung face ko. Parami yung face paglagay. And sa neck okay na yan. Cause yeah. It smells so good. Tapos nito, hindi pa ako mag-beauty rest. Cause I think I need to read some of my lesson this coming August. Oh my god, enroll na pala ako. By the way, nag-enroll ako ng isa ka subject. Sure lang. Yun na yun. Kayo nang bahala. And that's for today. That's for tonight. Hindi ko talaga alam anong sana maganda yung result, guys, diba? So have a great night. Have a great night, everyone, and thank you for watching. Hi, bye. Bili na kayo dito. Bye bye.